Loud for the last poets in the open mic, alright? Yes. So these are the last poets in the open mic, then we're going to start the competition. We're going to get really gangsta, alright? Give it up for the Bird Gang! Oh shit, hold on.
My name's Vox Thermidor. Oh, thank you. Well, we need it? Alright. Okay. I'm Mint Blastula.
I'm Royal, and some of you guys know it, some of you guys don't. But seeing as this is the new shit slam.
No shit! No shit!
We've been planning this for a while, but we finally got it done, and I got nothing else to say, but the streets are lined with alliteration. As the birds leave their roost, elegance, eloquence, and a vestibule of decadent transcendentalism royale is much too pretentious, so quick Thermidor, I need a gynecological consult on my run-on sentence.
Because birding is like stalking if the victimized vixen is literary genius. I'm feeling a bit Kerouac-y this evening. You bought a one-way ticket on this quatrain, so have a seat, son. You can't stand up to my stanzas, and my blast of you is a bit minty, unless you're in a rage, that is. Then it's
Mint Blastula. Cultural inclination to masturbation. Yes, I make it rain. The birds have arrived like burden-laden swallows, because where we might get from is a place of ill-equipped, illiterate idiots, and being unique there is like reading Garcia next to Rick Astley, or giving any kind of intelligent commentary during this pre-programmed distraction. To be a bird, one must ask questions like, if Shakespeare was an MC,
would he drop the bass or drop the bass and pick up a quill?
Trillions of bell ringers available at his word, but he proudly proclaims,
oh, I'm getting it. Yes, friends, we know the bird is the word, but to these birds, is the word truly enough? Fuck yes. Then these birds are surfing sites for smurf pornography.
That can get you blue in the face while you're blue in the face.
See, homophones to a bird are euphemisms, and euphemisms are euthanized double entendres, and if my allusions are illusions, my similes are fallacies, and my composition lacks exposition.
then our syllogisms are flawless.
I fuck words into an audiogasm. Thrushes. Bleeding endorphins and prepositions which are the sex of the English language.
In, out, and over.
But mimicry is the vilest form of violation, and my antecedents are anti-seating, so my sentences aren't sentenced to division. Therefore my cavalry is doubled, I think. Therefore I am certain of a few things. First,
I have nothing better to do with my time than to ejaculate my conjectures onto a page. And my last sentence is to nests. Second,
I really want a goddamn beard.
And
Third,
the elegant pelican is a very fine bird.
and so, ladies and gentlemen, if a menagerie is what you desire, seek out the Bird Gang, and you will certainly learn that this
is how we bird.